Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Because I Explore, and right now I'm at the beautiful Old Woman's Island, and we are going to go on a walking tour of the Colaba Causeway. Extremely sorry, it is like really crowded today, but well, we're going on a walking tour of Colaba Causeway. Let's go in this direction. So this is the Colaba Causeway, which is like a connection between the Old Woman Island and the Colaba Island, which is far away in the distance, and it acts as a connection between these two islands, and which kind of like paved the way for the development of Mumbai and reclamation in other areas of Mumbai. So this is the major engineering project, older than 200 years, and has kind of like helped in the development of Mumbai. So let's keep moving. So it is famous for shopping and shoe stores and antique stores, along with restaurants and cafes which have come up over the years. And well, specifically for the shopping, which you can see, the streets are lined up with the shops. So amazing. Now that's Cafe Leopold, one of the famous cafes in Mumbai, which is quite famous and has a rich history, like really long history, and is frequented by the tourists from the other countries, and unfortunately has been part of the attack that happened on Mumbai on 26th of November, so 26/11. So really unfortunate incident, but one of the cafes over there, which is quite famous. So you can see like the stores are like majority of the stores, especially for shoes and antiques, are lined up here in Colaba Causeway. That's one, Mochi, the Woodland, and so on. Another thing about the Colaba Causeway is that if you see these lanes, so they kind of like connected to the road which is directly in front of the Taj Hotel. So acts like a connection between like arterial roads which connect that building to the Colaba Causeway. So you can just take any of these lanes and reach the Taj Hotel and the Gateway of India. We are going to conclude our tour at Colaba post office, which is around like 1.2 1.3 kilometers from here. We're actually at Colaba Agar and we're going in this direction. So yeah, let's keep going. So there are like so many shops that you can choose from, and again, you won't run out of options if you just keep walking along this causeway. And of course, there are like famous places where you can eat, you can shop, and you can spend some time. So a lot of options along the Colaba Causeway. So one of the other restaurant, Kailash Parbat, and we also have other one, the Chandu Halwai sweet shop. So you have like a lot of options here. You do need to buy sweets from the Chandu Halwai shop that I just showed you. Try their Kaju Katli. Really famous and tasty. So let's continue our tour. You can see like a lot of restaurants. Wow. And there you have your Colaba restaurant, which we will eat later on in the next episodes to come, because today it's just going to be around the Colaba Causeway. But yeah, definitely going to eat over there. So there's another restaurant over here, an RP restaurant, that is both veg and non-veg, kind of cool. I think we are near Strand Cinema. This is the bus stop. So we are near Strand Cinema. And another set of Art Deco buildings here. Cool. So we are at Sassoon Dock now. So let's continue along Colaba Causeway. Like I said, lots of cafes and plenty of public transport. We're almost there, and I think we are at Sassoon Dock, kind of like a famous place coming right up ahead. The traffic is getting crazy, but that's the entrance to the Sassoon Dock. It's getting crazy. There's a festival as well. Just beautiful, right? Look at that. The last time I was here, wasn't painted like this. So. Woo. Cool. Awesome. Love what they have done with the wall over here. It was really barren back then. Another line of cafes. Cool. So you can never be wrong in any of these places. Just available for you, and you can just eat away. The different variety of cuisines and a lot of options for you. Look at these buildings, right? That's what I like about Mumbai. I mean, the old world charm of these buildings is just amazing. Let's continue. That's the Colaba bus stand. And we are almost there at the Colaba post office, where we'll conclude this tour. Look at that. Awesome, right? That's another Art Deco building. Awesome. So let's just keep moving ahead. It's a church, I guess. Chapel. And there's a church for which, wow, just beautiful, right? Beautiful church. Look at that. Awesome. That's the military area, and I'm not supposed to record it, so I guess we'll have to conclude our walking tour at this point. So I will see you in the next one.